Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorials how to draw hexagon. I will create new file, and to draw hexagon we can use render tools. You can click filter, go to render, and then we use Gimp tools. After it we will show for Gimp dialog box, and to draw for hexagon you can choose these icons, create polygon, set for side, like I will set into 6, for stroke we set into black, then I will active for girth and snap, then draw like from this point into here to be show for the hexagon in your drawing. To change for hexagon brush you can click here, like I will set into this option, that okay, then you can click close to apply. To fill this hexagon I will use these tools, Fuji select tools, then click inside. Now we can use these tools, bucket fill tools, set the color like into blue, and you can fill inside. Click select and then click. Okay, that's it for basic Gimp tutorials how to draw hexagon. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.